There's a new paper in there. If you open it up. Hey, Palmer, come here. Palmer. He's interested in everything else in here. Hey, Palmer. Hi. Hi. What a good boy. Okay, I'm going to do the collar tug. Didn't seem to affect him much. Hey! Hey, Palmer! Palmer! Come here. Come here. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Good boy. Check his ears. He's good. His tail's a little bit low. It's a little. Oh, he's licking me. He wants to go away for a minute. So give me a break for a second. Come here, Palmer. Hi. He comes really good when you call him. Okay. 1, 2, 3. He doesn't really like that. 4, 5. But you did good, huh? Are you wrapped around? Come here, you little hyper boy. Hi. 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 Wants to give me kisses. Yes. Yes. Oh, he's dancing around a lot. Come here. Come here. It's not letting me. It's not really wanting me to get his feet.
And almost backing out of the collar?
Yeah, he's trying to back out of the collar. Look at his back foot. Palmer, come here. Hi. Hi. Get down. He wasn't crazy about that, but he didn't nip or his tail never went in. He was trying to back out a little bit. Yeah. What's this? What do you got? What do you got? What do you got? Give me that. What do you got? He likes his toy. He wants to play. Happy wagging his tail. Hey, give me that. I don't think he's gonna let it go. See if he likes a bone instead. What's this? Give me that. What do you got? What do you got? that. Give me that. Still very, very playful. You did great with that. Oh, now I've got something good for you. Look what I've got, Homer. Tasty, tasty. Wagging his tail really good. Give me that. Continues to wag his tail. Went back for the food. Push one. Give me that. Something else distracted him. Give me that. He's not tensing up. His tail's wagging. He's hungry. See, that's a wet food mix. That's good. All right, you can pull him back and I'll get the food. Okay. All right, get our dog. Or you can get our dog. He should be in here. Joby should be right outside with the dog. If all has gone as planned.
Did you say Vanessa?
Yeah, he's not right outside with the dog.
Good.
Yep, good. He did great. He stayed happy. He did really great. Good job, Palmer. Cut.